Welcome to you once again. This is Astrology, bringing you my tarot series, giving you tarot and patra readings, birth charts, crystals and runes included. Join me on this journey. Right here, Trine. This is your reading for March 2023 from Astrology. And just to remind you again, tarot is just part of what I provide for you as services at Astrology. Here we have the past and we have birds, book and moon. And bird is all about chatter, discussion, talk. Is it around you? Are you dealing with the chatter? Did you deal with it? Is there some gossip about you that is happening? But the book speaks about knowledge that have been secret, that people have been holding back from you. But you have been educated now. You know what the past is. You know what the people have been talking and saying about you. And your recognition and inspiration, your emotions come from this gossip about you, from this secret that people have been holding towards you. You probably felt that they were laughing behind your back. And these are the secrets that you are aware of now, because you have the 7 of diamonds here, you have the 10 of diamonds, and it all affected your work. you know your work was affected by this, because we have this 7 of diamonds here, this 10 of diamonds, and diamonds is all about coins, pentacles. What it is that you want to deal with, your finances. It affected your work, it affected your resources, so that you understood. And that heart is just telling you, this 8 of heart here is just telling you, at the end of the day, you became emotional about it, because you recognized that these people had an impact on your life, and that now you are in the present. And let us see what the present is going to bring for you. The present is going to bring a gentleman, stars, love and money. But the 28 is a gentleman. It could be you, it could be somebody who is questioning you, who is around you, who might be able to guide you. The stars speak of hopes, wishes, ambition, achievement. This is your heartfelt feeling now, that you want to achieve something as a man, as a person. You want to heed that guidance from people who might have been older than you. It might speak to a new beginning, a new relationship, a new love life, because we have the Ace of Hearts here and the 6 of Hearts in your present. Then we have the 9 of Diamonds here, and some end is coming. An end is coming because this coffin signals ending, a finality of something. And it's not ending in death. It might be ending of the problems of your finances. You might have had finances troubles, as we indicated here, where people were gossiping about you. It affected you, and you had this feeling that you couldn't go anywhere. You were probably doing something wrong, or that it affected you emotionally. And now it's coming to an end. It's coming to an end. A new relationship is coming. Somebody is going to guide you. You are going to have all your ambitions and hopes there once more. You are going to see it, to understand that this is what is happening for you in this month, Trine. And then for the future, we have mice, child, and fish. Now, mice is a kind of a negative card, because it is all about worries, anxiety. It could be about health problems, diseases. Is your heart hurting? Are you feeling heartbroken or heartbreak because probably something came to an end that you didn't want it to come to an end? But it deals with your finances. Is it that you wanted to continue struggle? I don't think so. I don't think you wanted to continue struggling. It is something that comes to an end, but will drive your ambition, will drive your hopes, so that you shouldn't have this worry and anxiety in the future. And 13 is all about your innocence, your curiosity, probably a little bit of immaturity, because you may still be hankering for those people who are bad talking you behind your back to love you. Listen, they're not going to do it. As they say, man up, grow up. Some people just doesn't change, and you live your own life. You have your own life to live with your own hopes and ambitions, your own resources, and the fish tells you that. It's business, it's finance, it's prosperity. The fish, they are flowing in that river, in that sea, and you are going there behind them to catch them, to begin that prosperity. So try to leave the emotions aside and understand when you drop those emotional baggage or the emotional baggage from the past, and you understand that your hopes and dreams should take precedence, then your future will be full of the fishes. But your innocence, your immaturity can lead you to a little bit of anxiety and you know health worries, because you're heartbroken, you're creating stress for yourself. Don't do that. You're trying, live for yourself. Let us see what the deities are going to tell us. And the deities, it's telling us intelligence, and intelligence is all about your body may want something, your heart may want something, but your body is less than your senses. Your senses are less than your intellect, and your intellect is less than your divine soul. So deep down in your soul that you are intelligent. You don't need these people who are bad talking you, who are giving you worries, who are creating anxiety. And this comes from the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 3, verse 42. And it's just telling you, listen, throw that off. Deal with yourself and your ambition and your hopes. And if somebody calls you ambitious, there's nothing wrong with that. You want to grow, you want to develop. Why would ambition be a fault or to create anxiety for you? If you are ambitious, I say go for it. It says that you want better for yourself and those around you. Don't study people, Trine, not in this time. It's too hard for us to study people and what they're seeing. You are intelligent enough to deal with yourself. And let's see, Sukuya, scarcity. And in Trinidad and Tobago, Sukuya is one of the, uh, well, I wouldn't call her a deity, but one of the horrors that we use in long ago time to, you know, keep children in their place, to control them a little bit so they won't go out late in the night or won't do certain things. But whether you believe or not, if you believe in good, then you have to believe in evil. And Sukuya is just a scarcity. There's something that is scarce in somebody's life, and they want you to pay the price with them. But that is not what you are about. Your intelligence is beyond that. You are worthy of your ambition. You are worthy of your aspirations and your hopes and your dreams. And work with yourself, work towards your ambitions and hopes and dreams for this period, and you are going to succeed. So this is for you, Air Trine. Happy March 2023. Okay, Air Trine, with Bhagwan's blessings, I always give thanks to him because he has guided me and brought me this way. Also, a little reminder again of that predictions video, and it is just a synopsis. It is not complete. It is a teaser, as it were, for you to find out more about yourself or about the bhavas that I speak to in the video. You need to contact me. You need to drop me a line at either zidamastrology.com or make a comment, share, subscribe, sign up. And Bhagwan has brought me once again to this place where I can thank him and thank you for listening. And I hope something new and exciting enters your thoughts and enables your dreams. Be safe, happy, and healthy until we meet again.